Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to make a character in PolyBuzz application. For that, first of all, launch PolyBuzz application. Then at the bottom, you will see plus icon, hit on that. There you will see regular and multi-role option. For now, we are choosing regular. And you can also use the template like Easter Secrets, My Hero Academia, Page Generator, and if you hit on more, there are more templates as well. You can choose whichever you like. Now hit on the regular. At the first you can see you have to upload an image. So simply hit on the upload and choose a photo of any character, anime or of anything. Once you choose the photo, just below it you can see the gender. You can choose gender for your character. Once you choose that, just below it you have to add a description about the character. Once you are done with the description, simply choose the image style. You can choose any three of them and hit on generate. Once the image is generated, pick any one and hit on the pick button. Now again select save and next. From here you have to add name for the character, then gender, then type a simple intro about the character. Now add a greetings. Here you can make your character either to public or private. For now, I'm choosing private. Once you're done with it, hit on tags option, choose any 5 of them and hit on save. Now, just below it, you see background option. You can write whatever background you want to set up for your character. For now, I'm just writing hey. You can also set up your dialogues like I'm doing. And at last hit on save and next. Now choose a voice for your character. You can also customize your own voice. Then again hit on save and next. At last simply hit on create and chat, and that was it. You have successfully created a character in PolyBuzz. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.